Yo, my general, the juvenile just come back say I shout me. Where I go on my boss.
Yo, what too? But I get no smart ideas. Even but I think about touching our waist. To hear me say, I send you upon our works. And it's like a juvenile I send for come report back to me about works of me send upon. You know, say I disrespect that youth. You know, say you forget all your face, licking in the morning after that. Size I want them little boy that come size up. Next thing you know, them boy that go try off a man. And youth, nobody drop them ball and nobody drop them catch them man. So what go on? What go on with Brandon Mother? How me no hear nothing at all on the news? How me no see on this pack of my views? What go on with that? That I wouldn't want to know.
With friends like these, who needs enemies? Never saw it coming, not from you. We were closer than blood, yeah, I thought it was true.
I know that in my general, go up on the ends and I go figure, do the way in my boss, but the whole man never in the place, my general. I mean, I know if I hear, she hears, so where I come out, she smell the rake or whatsoever the case may be, my boss, but we go in a place, we kick in the door, we go in the madam mean figure, do our house clean, and she never did them a general. So all we do is just ransack the place and just send a strong message and make them know, so yo, we had a return. So I just, you for just say the word, my boss. And we just go deal with it and make Brandon Mara fly like a bird, my general. Anything you say a lie, and I'm a boss. Anything you say a lie.
Yeah, man, me hear what you say, man. Got my question is doing at all. How you come round now well strap up? And what your intention? And where you pray at all? Just make me know where you're depend in at all. Where you really depend. Cause you never come amongst me strap yet. So what? Is a point to come around if I come prove or what? Just say the word, you know. And we could just do the do. At all. Where you depend.
But the general, no my boss, no my boss. Not like that, my general. Not like that, my general. Me not pray, no pharmatic. No, my general, man. If I say that, my general, man, I am a boss and I'm a boss. I'm a god and I'm a boss. I hear talk about my general. I would have never come around with no pharma intention. I did just strap up on the front and the juvenile say you send call me my general. So I just roll come around and strap up same way my general. I not come around with the intention, my boss. Yeah, talk to my general. General, I told listen man, I a loyal soldier, this is my general. Never violate it in a man. General, journal style general. And I'm not like that, no boss, I promise you.
Alright, so I'm here and I just want to remember him and say, yo, I levels to this thing here. Hear that? Just remember, I levels to this thing here. So just know on a place and play on a part and play it well. You hear that? Yo, little more.
Boy, I had a shift on I'm tired, you know. But my promise the Rasta man say me go meet him up at my hotel restaurant. That's like I need a little information so I can pass it on to his soup, you know. I might get a little promotion from this if you can let me arrest and really find something concrete if you lock up your one better than for me. So you know what? I got change off my clothes around the barracks there and see if I can get a ride and go meet the Rasta man.
Police Empress don't worry about a thing where Bob Marley say every little thing is gonna be alright. Empress don't worry about a thing. Yes, Rasta. Because every little thing is going to be alright. Yes, I. Police Empress want a natty on the front line. And I will be there. Yes, I. That must be that taxi guy out there tooting his hand. He must be ready for the Rasta man to come board the transport Rasta. Yes, I.
Yo, Rasta man. I can't be, you know. Look how long me dey out here blow your youth. I'll know me not see you forward. Rasta, long time me dey out here blow you in a better. Me I charge you extra for that in a man.
Wipe on the blowing there in a taxi guy. No blowing off the Rasta around here. Fire! Panda blowing argument the Rasta. You're tooting your hand, taxi guy. When me say, you're tooting your hand, taxi guy. The Rasta aerial a toot ya and the Rasta just a put up some finishing touches. Cause you don't know say the Rasta have to step out clean figure check him Empress. So the Rasta on his way for border transport higher. The higher forward. You sight?
You know the Rasta boy move like him more smarter than me. In catch me with that one, I still my wife, it's true. Can't I send a blown on business about you for real, but oh, you sell a Rasta, man. But I've got catch you back around one part, man. And that with that what they are tired, but he right still in catch me. But deserve that one why they.
Yes, the Rasta man is here. And if the Rasta man did take a little bit too long, the Rasta man will compensate the eye in the Rasta. So the eye not have to worry about nothing. So just drop the eye up a motor and just tell the eye how much the eye owe the eye so the eye can pay the eye. You sight?
Alright, Rasta man, hear you loud and clear, man, but just go and hold on on the eye, them, man, cause the eye no feel safe around the eye, cause the eye feel like, say, I don't joke the eye, not the eye, because I just source the eye, yeah, I use Rasta. But I could go and chads and take it easy. You see it?
Me dear, you not look cheap at all. You go up on a hot date coming like you go mesmerize this little poor Rasta man. Me never figure so hard still, but yeah, girl, you look good. But how me I go reach up a mountain, how me I go reach up a mountain up on a serious note. Figure take a JUTC, them I got that about 50 million times. And them bag and roll is cool, putting it if me go take a taxi or the same God almighty thing. I wonder if Cabby at work. I wonder if him up in the half for 3 right? I call Cabby and see where I'm going with.
How this the lady will steal me out and now give me back. Why go and the mama you good?
That's why I can't like you in a like a Cabby. Cause you not have no little approach. Coming like a two roach grow you. Is a roach approach you have in a Cabby? Wagwan, mama, you're good. How will me look like to you? Don't call me no mama, cause me not even have a pitney yet. Me look like cow to your Cabby. Don't pass a place, Cabby. Anyway, where them? Why you come pick me up and bring me go somewhere now?
No, sir. Me shame. Why you have to always deal with Mr. Mama?
Me literally just said that a while ago to you and see it. You still a call me mama. Mama a cow, no call me so.
Alright, mama, I share about man, I'm not going to call her mama again. You see it? Anyway, where you did? Where you depend? Where you want me to carry you go?
You know there's something wrong with the Cabby. Something wrong with you, you know. You're one of them real SYM Cabby there, you know. I mean, I know how you come, so. Anyway, more you carry me go up our restaurant up a papi in me, so. Come pick me up.
You know, so me open a for 3 days, head up in the papine space to right away, so. Yeah, man, me can swing by and come grab him, man. I just ask the passenger when me can go up the stairs, me can carry one little extra passenger feed the liquor food. But no, I'm not going to say no still, but you don't know. Man, as I respect see me, so me have to ask him see me, so. I got link you back in a second, I'll just shoot your text, you see it?
Alright, Cabby, alright, may I wait.
You're a Rasta, man. Beg me excuse there. You know, say me have like a client who want to reach up a papi in there to start. And since we are going in the direction, then I couldn't just stop and pick her up and bring her go up there. It's not a setup thing, man. So no worry yourself, man. It's a nice lady, man. You see it? Big woman too, man. So it's not a like a gal type of business. Just want to eat the little extra food. You see it?
Yeah, man, taxi guy, you can eat your food, Rasta. That is not a problem. You say you gotta pick up a Empress. Go and deal with the shreps and just bring the eye up a motor so the eye can go meet the eye female companion, Rasta. Yes, I.
Alright, Rasta, man. Bless up. I gotta call her back and tell her if you just ready up. I gotta just swing by and now and go pick her up and then we just go up the street. Is it? Yeah, mama, here I go and get yourself ready. May I swing back and pick you up right now.
You know, so you gonna make me road to you do a cabin. Me say if it tap call, me mama me look like cow to you. But me ready still, me ready. Hurry up and come, man, hurry up.
Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Jano Star. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Oh, na na na.
Rasta, what we are do? I see you try sing one of Bob Marley song them. Why Bob Marley supposed to turn all in a grave. Here we go on Rasta man. Stick to the broom business. Singing now workout for you none at all. If I did that, you would have do for your living. You would have for your hunger. So you better you go and sell a broom. Low singing Rasta, low it.
Yo, Cabby, you know, so me sense a little bit of bad mind in the eye though. Here we go on now, taxi guy. Just focus on the road, Rasta, and go pick up the Empress and drop me off which part you have to drop me. And just kill the argument to hear that. Yes, I? Yes, I.
Anything you say, Rasta man. Anything you say. Mama, forward na the car there, mama. Forward na the car there. Yeah, mama. Sure no style, mama. You catch a cab with your eyeball, man. You thick like a mudfish, you know, mama. Yeah. Love the look. I wonder how we are reach, you know, mama. How we are go with. Nah, man, how I go and right, yourself. How I go on. We don't know each other.
Why, mommy? John's time. I'm really sorry about this. This is a long story. I have to go all a reasoning about this later so you can understand how I really go on. Alright, mommy? But no worry yourself still. Might I take you right? Might go get some with a juvenile nice street right now. If you come give me a hand for get your place clean up and anything where can repair back right away. I gotta make sure I buy them back. If I have to use the last little bit of money when I have here to go up on the trip, I gotta use them and make sure you think them get sorted out. Alright, mommy? Sorry again, mommy. Channel star, I feel so disappointed and broken over this thing I cause. Church I got me, I tell her. But mommy, hear me. May I deal with it. Alright?
Alright, my son. Alright, my son. But you know, so I have to go sleep over your yard tonight, though. I can't sleep in this rubbish. And this I gotta take a little while to get clean up, alright? So I gotta sleep over your yard tonight. You have to just hold the couch or sleep on the bed with your mother. I feel no way about it, man. I worry yourself, my son. I know you gotta take care of it, and I know you gotta continue to take care of me. So I not worry myself. I just beg you, please, Brandon, stay out of trouble. Stay out of certain company, Brandon. Just hurry up and go pack up your things them so you can go and pay your farm work. Alright, my boy? We will talk to you later. Alright. Me and Rachel go over your house now, so just get the little youth them for can help you and wanna just clean up, alright? Little more.
Morning comes before the sun. Another day, another one. Put on my shoes, step to the door. Got a long day waiting for me once more. Hands get tired, my back gets sore, but I keep moving, working for more. Every minute, every mile, I keep on going with a weary smile. The clock keeps ticking, the hours roll by. I'm running on empty, but
Lax, man. Inna this story a big and just look nice. Me never know where me go buy for this a pitney right, you know. Can me never get figure do the pap smear test all now to find out if it's a boy or if it's a girl baby me go have. Me no know, sir, right? I know me go just buy a little bit of this and a little bit of that and buy some neutral color just in case if it's a boy or a girl, them can wear it. Right now, me just a shop till me drop. Me know say better than I go come check me fee money, soon, you know. But will me fi do? Make him just come take him money. I'ma just there with the pitney cause him not done sell the pitney and wanted already. Then what me fi do? Mega just go and shop here man anything we dirty better than want do, him just do. Me na business. What this? A half a bad luck or a crass is this. Has me call a little dirty boy named the boy I call. Sure. Hello. Better than. Where you want? Where you want better than? Where you want? Where you call my phone for?
You see your girl thinking, anytime I see a man, I one fist mega fist in your mouth, man. You see them out there, think I get in a problem, man. You see you? Continue go a ramp with bad man thing, man. Yo, where you there? I'm a money me come link you fine. I'm gonna see you over your yard, you know. Right now, me need that money there for push out. Where you there?
Alright, better than. Alright. Me soon come with it, man. Me soon come. Meet me up at me yard about another hour or so. Me da down a town. Me soon left. Me soon come with it.
Alright, me go make a one circle and forward back, you know, make sure say they a yard when time and forward, you know. You see how long they want a girl think if it top ramp round bad man. Continue, man. Continue, cause when you must feel as a man afraid to kill some on a girl, you know. Top ramp with bad man program. You hear that?
How I look for you? Could have bright. We there. I'm continue to do my liquor shopping here. Better than quite alright. Cause right you know mean make up my mind. Anything or anything.
Yo, Tuggy, what go on? I know some of them around on the block there. Where they?
You know, say I don't at the hospital, yeah, me my boss. Come get a bad juvie a link, man. Just carry 2 little underpants and 2 marine and some fruits. Come give little juvie dial, you see it?
That your mouth, like you just say a while ago, boy, Tuggy. And you enable them little boy that make them feel like so them can come size up with big man, you know. You hear me, I say, man. Stop enable them little boy there and make them understand them little self and go inside. That me I make you know. Stop enable them little boy there. Cause mad and them on a size.
No, my general, man. We ask my boss, man. Nothing at all like that, my general, man. When I enable them little youth if you try come size up with you. But you don't know when it all said and done still. Him still under our little wings a certain guy per way. So you don't know when nobody. So I just come give him a one circle and make sure say him good. Me certain say him learn him lesson right now, my boss. And him a lot tech talk from a different my boss. Cause trust me, him say we you keep him laugh. Full, flush, straight and trees. So now my boss. Nothing like that, my boss. Nah enable him, but you don't know. Still have to look out for youths them to see him. Is it?
Alright, Mr. Enabler. We hear you. Pick up yourself still. Go on do your thing. Mm-hmm.
Jano star come like the general. Still a pre-corrupt in a star. Jaja God. But, what am I do? Can't left a little you just dead so by himself, man. I have to come certainly but Juve man and bless him up differently. Yo, bad Juve, what go on? You good, my general? Where I deal it?
Yo, my boss, Tuggy, what go on? You know, I'm just there still. There, you know. I go and take a rough life easy as it.
Well, no better no the you do still, you know. More than you have to just go and rest up and get the foot heal up and thing, you know. So I bring some stuff in that bag there. You see it? Some underpants, some marine and some fruits and 1 and 2 little personal items in the field still. So I ate that, man. Glad say you there go and do your things still, you see it? Don't worry yourself, man. Everything soon good here soon. Up and gunning again.
That you really say Tuggy. Up and gunning again. Them after I go through all of this, get disrespect and get all gunshot in my foot. Me fi come back pan the corner and have no wings. No, sir. Me a turn far from better than man. As far as the east is from the west. And that's me a turn far from him. Me not upon them a type of lifestyle, brother. Me no cut out for this. Me no feel like so me if they are part of a crew and I wanna deal with me them type of way. The man could have just shot me 2 back still. I'm alright with that. I eat my one kick in my body, but for shot me in my foot star, she don't know a star, me I tell her, yo. Never know say I so shot at. To be honest, me no want to feel it again, man. So me good.
Jano juvenile. Jaja. Me can't ever say nothing at all about what you just said because you're right. You're right. It's not a good look at all. It's definitely not nothing welcoming. And I nothing this when nobody I go feeling a prolonged thing with cause I know a shot feeling. Cause a whole heap of boy I gig gun shot. And I see how it mash them up and things. So I can't just imagine how you feel like that right there. So if you know say yo, and not even an enemy shot you. A general shot in your foot. Jano star juvenile. If you have a leg of badness still, now I gotta stop here now. Cause trust me, I wouldn't even wish this for my worst enemy. Cause I know it's a gunshot business and a joke thing. So juvenile, just do what you do still. Anything what you decide to do, like that you have to do. I'm good with that is concerned. So here where I go on. I gotta make a one charge go back on the block in because I don't know some man I forget the block lock certain type of way, you know. How was I come down and thing, but go on well strong man and just know say yo. Anything at all, just give me a link, me will come deal with it for you. That's it. Bless up yourself, juvenile.
Reasoning like this make me have to really tuggy, you know. But I'm big man level still, man. Tuggy for be general. Better than, you name understand what you do right now. You create a monster. And remember me tell you say, if I last thing me do before my eye close, me have to put a bullet in my better than. Have to put a bullet in you. A man like Tuggy, we respect and check for youth like me. Them man there for run off ends. Better than your days numbered.
Yo, Janos time, I never know who me can go link right now. If you come give me a stream, if you straight not my house and get back my house, speak and span star. Yo, Janos star, the boy them deal with my house and way in a star. Man, them mash up every Janos star, man, I tell you. Me ever know who me can go link right, you know.
Yo, Brandon. What's up? It's me, Uncle Tom. What's going on, man? I've not seen you for a minute. What's going on?
Yo, I would that Uncle Tom, go ahead Tom, and now I start come like a God make you see me and show up my style, cause my day have a little small roast to carry up on, you know. You interested?
What do you mean by that if I'm interested, man? Of course I'm interested. You said a roast. That means money's involved, and right now I need some money to put my pot on the fire. So let's go, Brandon. Let's go. Whatever it is, count me all the way in, cause I'm broke, and that ain't no joke.
One thing about you, know, Uncle Tom, a full argument, you know. They say, man broke like a bottle.
That's what you young cats say now. Broke like a bottle. Back in the days, we would say broke like a church mouse. Now you all say broke like a bottle?
Yeah, man, that I shops right, you know, and I treat, man. But here we go on, Uncle Tom, I know say some boy come violate my brother star and mash up a whole line in our place. We just want a hand for grow and go straightly talk back and get some new things and get the whole thing start out back fair so our place can speak and span. Cause I soon slide again, you know, soon going back up upon the farm work, you see it. So we just want to get our place start out proper right, you know. So forward, make we go mash up the roaster quick and fast. Just still no much other charge.
Man, Brandon, I'm really sorry about that, man. Sorry to hear that. These young cats just be wilding every single day. They be too wild for me, man. That's why I just stay to myself and just stay out the way. Because I can't be bothered with these wild-ass young cats. But let's go do it. Just use your conscience, man, and just give me a little something so I can buy my food. You fully understand how it works. Just use your conscience and give me something, and I'm cool. Let's go do it.
Mommy, what me do with it for me, please? What me do with it for me?
Hold on there for me there, Brandon. Hold on there for me there. Me can't move so fast, you know. Remember, say the old bone them and so bossy at all. Hold on there. May I come, Brandon. Hold on there, may I come.
Well, now I see what you're talking about, Brandon. Them young cats did do a number in this crate. They messed it all the way up. Well, let's get to work.
So, mommy, me and Uncle Tom I got just deal with it for you, you know. We got clean up the place well, speak and span. And I got just one little fridge to friend of my coach, you know. When time I go up, we just work and go and pay a feed car. The fridge door they pop off. Me not feel like so that can fix back right and all. So, give away a few them, mommy. You can just go in the room and just go and lie down, you know. Or go take a little hot bath or something. Just give away a few, I could get this place well straightened out and clean it up back real nice. Yeah, mommy?
Alright, my son, alright, my son. Deal with it, definitely. But remember, so we have to not talk about this thing, you know. Because you still not tell me or make me aware of what really go on right here, so. So go and do what you do. We'll be talk after. Alright, later.
Hours roll by, I'm running on empty, but I still try. One more task, one more thing to do till the evening sky turns midnight blue. Oh, what a long, long day. I gave everything I had away.
Why, Brandon, you know, so the house clean up real nice too. Look how the house look nice and decent. We did a really good job, man. Yeah, we did a really good job on this one, yeah.
For real, man, Uncle Tom, man, for real, man. The thing look really nice, so true. Nah, tell no lie, my place look up and running again. Yeah, man. Why? I got sit down over here, so still in Uncle Tom, because tired of boss me shut in, man. Nah, tell no lie, star. I tired like a war. I got sit down here, so for a little bit still. Here?
Okay, Brandon, that's definitely understandable. Definitely understandable. Go do your thing, alright?
My body's warm. I've been working since the early morning. Now I just wanna lay my head down. The silence wrap me all around. Tomorrow I'll rise and do it again.
Hello?
But tonight, let this tired soul
Hello?
You boy, Brandon, how you feel like, say? You feel so because you return this trap, everything good and dandy. No, your trouble is just a start, you know.
So when I deal with my youth, when I really deal with, when I really depend, when I done mess up my mother house already, you know. So when I depend, when not satisfy with myself already with that. Yo, hear me I tell the man them say, brother. Me I wanna have something going. Leave my mother out of this. You hear that? Just leave my mother out of this, man.
So I go on. Brandon get tough, you know. Yeah, give bad people tough chat.
No, you know, I'm not give the man them a tough chat. I just ask the man them still if you just leave my mother out of this. Do whatever you want to do with me, man. But me I beg on a star, just leave my mother out of this, man.
That you won't make you say, Brandon. El bother cat did say. That will never happen.
Yo, Brandon, what's really happening? What's going on, man?
You know, say, look like the boy them and mash up my mother house there. Look like them they both and watch me from afar off in a time. The boy them know some mommy in the house. Yo, Tommy, hear them loud knocking up on the door. But it look like mommy still asleep. Just time to really want she for wake up, you know. You just take time to come home for her, so.
But tonight, let this tired soul rest. Traffic lights and crowded streets, heavy eyes and tired feet, dreaming of my favorite chair. A little peace, a little quiet there. Dinner waiting, lights turn low. Finally somewhere I can slow. Take a deep breath, let the day go. I did my best and that's all I know. The clock